Assalamu alaikum, ahlan wa sahlan wa marhaban bikum. Viewers, welcome to you in my channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to use هؤلاء in Arabic language. استعمال هؤلاء. هؤلاء, it is used for plural masculine and feminine. It is used only with the mindful nouns. Let's see some examples. هؤلاء معلمون. These are teachers. هؤلاء معلمون. These are teachers. هؤلاء معلمات. These are female teachers. هؤلاء مسلمون. هؤلاء مسلمون. These are Muslims. هؤلاء مسلمات. هؤلاء مسلمات. These are female Muslims. هؤلاء أطباء. هؤلاء أطباء. These are doctors. هؤلاء طبيبات. هؤلاء طبيبات. These are female doctors. These are female doctors. هؤلاء رجال. هؤلاء رجال. These are men. هؤلاء نساء. هؤلاء نساء. These are women. هؤلاء طلاب. هؤلاء طلاب. These are students. طلاب, students. هؤلاء طالبات. هؤلاء طالبات. These are female students. هؤلاء أولاد. هؤلاء أولاد. These are boys. These are boys. هؤلاء بنات. هؤلاء بنات. These are girls. These are daughters. هؤلاء مهندسون. هؤلاء مهندسون. These are engineers. هؤلاء مهندسات. هؤلاء مهندسات. These are female engineers. هؤلاء كبار. هؤلاء كبار. These are big. These are big. هؤلاء كبيرات. هؤلاء كبيرات. These are big. These are big. هؤلاء صغار. هؤلاء صغار. These are small. هؤلاء صغار. These are small. هؤلاء صغيرات. هؤلاء صغيرات. These are small. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Keep learning and practicing to watching my videos. Thanks for watching.